Hello, friends. Welcome to DIY Dollar Tree Father's Day edition. Look, we give moms so much love. I gotta make sure we do something unique for the dad. So this is what we came up with. I saw this on Pinterest where they used a necktie. I kind of incorporated that. Tools and ties is kind of the theme here. So the first thing that we did was I started with the colors of the necktie, and it is a blue, a silver, and a dark gray. So those were the colors that I was going to match around. I found a blue tablecloth, paired that with mostly all silver. After the blue tablecloth, I did the plating. I used silver chargers, I used the ivory plates from the Dollar Tree, and then my own top plate. I framed Dad's place setting with this protractor. You know, I always love to do unique napkin rings. I got this duct tape, I've got these handy metals, and I got some nails. And I used duct tape, and I made a band for the base of the napkin ring. I spray painted the metal silver, and then I glued the nails to the sides. Looks a little almost westerny. And then I spray painted over all of that with my aluminum spray paint. Now the center, I'm not gonna lie, I was like, we're just gonna have to get a little crazy. Again, tools and neckties. So we found these screwdrivers, painted them the aluminum color, followed by the nails. I took one of the floral bases and I put that in a vase I had on top of a silver bucket that I had. So I spray painted the screwdrivers, the nails, and that floral base, all that aluminum color, and then just stuck them in the top with a necktie around it. The silver bucket was the base. I put the spray painted newspaper in there as a filling, and I just kind of like that. It gave it a very masculine look. Okay, next you can see that the centerpiece is surrounded by these tiny buckets. I glued nails to the buckets, and then I found these paintbrushes, spray painted them the aluminum color, and glued those on. I then put, it's almost like a tassel. I folded the duct tape in half and made kind of like little tassels. Okay, and the last thing that I would like to mention is I made Dad a little award. I took a wine bottle, spray painted it aluminum. I then took one of those medals, which actually that medal was congratulations, you're having a baby. And I spray painted that and wrote Dad on it with my chalk paint. And then I hung a medal on it. So that was like his award. Also, you will see it is sitting on one of the silver trays from the Dollar Tree because I try to use those at all times because I love them. And that's it, guys. That is my very creative and unique Dad's Day table-scape. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you do. Please, if you do any of this and you do it better, I gotta see it because I'm not gonna lie, this one was tough. All right, thanks for checking it out. Give it a thumbs up, a thumbs down, a like, a share, whatever. Happy quarantining. Bye.